Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've made a video, but I thought I'd come out and share what I grossed for the year 2025. But before that, before I tell you how much I've earned, I just want you to know that this past year was very, very difficult for me. It was a very, very slow year for a reason. I happened to have shoulder surgery early in the year, so I was only open, my candle shop was only open for maybe 2.5 months out of the whole year of 2025. So unfortunately, I had to take care of myself, but I was able to open it up right before the holiday. So that is where I was able to make some money for Christmas. And who doesn't make money during Christmas, right? Candles are a big purchase during the season. So I was very, very happy with the outcome. But, it wasn't, it wasn't what I expected it to be. I was actually pretty shocked because where I sold my candles was at a market pop-up here in our local area. So I was out there mid-October all the way into the week before Christmas. So it went very, very well. And so for this year, what I want to do for 2026 is to make more videos. I want to build my community. I want to share my knowledge with you. I want to share my mistakes with you. So anybody that is wanting to learn the candle business, I hope you would subscribe to my channel because I really do want to build up my community, and I am more than happy to share everything that I've learned. And it's free education. So, and I'm very fortunate that I've had several YouTube channels that I followed right before I started my candle business that encouraged me, and I've learned a lot from them as well. So I'm hoping that this channel will do the same for others that are wanting to open up or start up a candle business. But I also want to do more fair orders for 2026. Now, I didn't make any sales on fair last year because, of course, I had to shut it down. But I am hoping to pick that up again and to make more wholesale orders on fair. So I will be doing a lot of emails and just retaking some photos to make sure that all my pictures look professional. So I will be working on that. And let's see, what else am I going to plan to do this year? So there's a couple of things that I want to do. I've got a list. Also, I wanted to add an addition candle vessel to my collection. So I'm working on that. I'm actually testing some vessels as well. But let's talk about how much I made with my candle business for being open for 2.5 months. And my gross was $3,871.28 total. So it was not an overnight success, but it's growth. I met a lot of good customers. I met some customers from the year before. But these small wins, they do count. They do. So we need to celebrate that. But you got to remember, what you make, your growth depends on how hard you work on your candle business. So whatever you put into your business, it's going to grow. And you have to treat it as a full-time job. And it's actually more than a full-time job because sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night of an idea or something I forgot to do and I'm writing things down. So it's not just punching in from 9 to 5. So it is take care of it like if it was your baby. So if you really want to see some growth, you really have to work and do the best you can to make it what you want it to be. And like I said, this past year, it wasn't for me. I've had, surgery. So I'm finally recovered. I'm doing good. I just need to keep on moving. My dogs came in here. I just have to keep moving forward and make 2026 the best I can with what I have. So That is all I have for today, and I just wanted to pop in just to kind of show you or share with you how much my gross was for last year. Like I said, these small wins, they do count. So I'm really looking forward to 2026, and I am going to be working very, very hard to make more videos, so you can learn all about the candle business. So if you have any questions, or if there's a video that you would like for me to make, please let me know. Write them down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to share what I've learned and my experience and my knowledge with you. And again, this is all free resources. So let me know what you would like to see. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and give it a thumbs up, because that is going to help. And that's another thing I want to do with my YouTube is I want to grow more subscribers. I need more subscribers. I want this to be a learning channel. So again, please subscribe if you have not done so. So I will be working hard to try to get my community grow as far as my YouTube channel. And my goal for 2026 with my YouTube channel is to gain 500 subscribers. I have only 83, so this is just the beginning. I've done some videos here and there, but I really haven't made an effort. And that is what I'm going to focus on this year, is to grow my YouTube channel. And I would like you to join me. So please let me know what you would like to see. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments. And please give it a thumbs up. And please follow me in Instagram if you have not already done so. Until next time, bye you guys.